Transforming the already impressive Chevrolet Corvette C8 E-Ray into an even cooler ride is easier than one might think. With a simple yet striking modification, smoked wheels, the Cacti Green E-Ray gains a new level of sophistication and style. The Chevrolet Corvette C8 E-Ray is a marvel of modern automotive engineering. Combining a potent V8 engine with electric motors, it offers both power and efficiency. The Cacti Green color adds a unique flair, making it stand out even among other Corvettes. However, for those looking to personalize their ride further, smoked wheels provide an ideal solution. Smoked wheels, with their dark, tinted finish, add an element of mystery and aggression to the vehicle's appearance. They contrast beautifully with the vibrant green body, creating a visually appealing combination that draws attention on the road. This aesthetic enhancement does not require significant alterations, making it a practical choice for car enthusiasts who want to upgrade their vehicle's look without extensive modifications. Customizing a vehicle is often about personal expression. Smoked wheels allow owners to give their Corvette a distinctive look that reflects their style. This modification is a testament to how small changes can significantly impact a car's overall aesthetic, making it unique in a sea of factory-standard vehicles. Beyond aesthetics, smoked wheels offer practical benefits. The darker finish can help hide brake dust and minor scratches, keeping the wheels looking cleaner for longer periods. This can be particularly advantageous for those who use their Corvette as a daily driver and want to maintain a sharp appearance with minimal maintenance. In conclusion, adding smoked wheels to the Cacti Green C8 E-Ray is a straightforward way to enhance the vehicle's already striking appearance. This modification exemplifies how minor changes can have a profound effect, blending style with practicality. For Corvette owners looking to elevate their car's cool factor, smoked wheels are an excellent choice, showcasing the endless possibilities of automotive customization.